Hey guys, welcome back to another video, or if you are new here, I am Genevieve. Welcome. So, I'm currently sitting in my new studio, and I say new, but it's, new space to me, but it's just my garage that's been transformed. And so I finally have a space to record and do all my little creative crazy things, so hopefully, I've said this so many times, but hopefully we'll be seeing a lot more videos on this channel. While organizing all my stuff and putting everything into its new places, I came across some dyes. They are the Live Colors by Schwarskof, and we have some Shocking Pink, some Pillar Box Red, and some Blueberry. And because right now I don't have blonde hair, not that I ever have had blonde hair, but and I don't really feel like putting my hair through the bleaching process because last time I did it, it didn't quite work out so well. I decided we're going to be putting these dyes onto this wig instead. And I didn't know if I wanted to do these in like an ombre or some like highlights or whatever orientation. So when going to Pinterest, because that's where everyone gets their ideas, I came across this picture here. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I want that to be me right now. Get that on my head. So that is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing an ombre from the purple to the red-ish to the pink. And because this is dark roots anyway, I'm hoping that it will blend quite nicely with this, but we shall see. I also only have one box of each, which I don't think is going to be enough to cover this entire wig, so I'm going to be diluting it with conditioner, which will make it a little bit lighter. It won't make it as vibrant, but hopefully it's not too bad. Also, yes, my makeup's a little... There's an earthquake. Okay. Oh, Bubs. You haven't had an earthquake in a while. Anyway, after that excitement, don't mind, you're disturbing my background. It's okay, it wasn't that major. We're all good now. Let's just get straight into it and start mixing up these colors. Also, for anyone that wants to know or is creating this at home or whatever, I put like about half the amount of, it's kind of hard to tell because this one's liquid, but half the amount of dye that there was is the amount of conditioner I added. I may add more, but you know what, just please advise. I lied. I basically ended up matching the amount of dye that there was to conditioner, so it'll probably end up quite pastel. This one I still kind of did 3/4 because it's quite liquid. Oh my gosh, it's got like glitter and things like that in it. Well, that's gonna come out really pretty. But yeah, so I've just mixed these all up, and so I guess now we'll start the application. Okay, we've had a wig change because I'm not going to be dyeing the wig on my head. Also, if you're wondering where I got this wig, I made it myself. I also now do custom orders. DM me on Instagram at i.am.genevieve. Just saying. Okay, so here is the finished product at the moment. Actually, look, this like peachy in real life. It looks a lot more like that color. Well, yeah. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Let it process and whatnot, and then we're going to wash, dry, and style. I also have some extra dye, so and I will show you the finished product now. final product. My lighting is doing me a bit dirty right now because it looks quite like cherry red. It's actually this really super nice pink. Purple didn't really show up all that well, but I think it helped blend the dark roots that were already there into the red color, so I think it looks super nice. I feel a little bit like a princess. I might repart it because I put it into a middle part vibe. I don't think I suit middle parts all that well, but this color is phenomenal. I'm in love, but I think this might be my new daily outing going out wig. Okay, I'm back with the repart. What we're thinking. I think it looks better to my face shape. I did like the middle part, but I just think this suits me a lot better. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you know, let me know in the comments. Tell me what type of wigs you want to see, like themed wigs, costume wigs, cosplay wigs, because we know I still do that. Or just anything to do with hair, cosplay, special effects, anything along those lines. Or you know what? Any type of video you want to see me do. Let me know in those comments. And make sure if you like this video to like, subscribe. I've got more content coming out, so be ready for that very soon. Anyway guys, until then, I will catch you in the next video. Peace! You know what? Now we're good.